Alright y'all, so I am ready for a new hairstyle. So Curlsqueen hair came just in time because y'all, this came just in time. Braids get old pretty quickly, but this came literally just in time. Literally it came out today, guys. This is Curlsqueen hair, and I got their seamless clip-ins. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up. So if ribbon just comes right off, rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Yes, it came with a brush, extra clips, and a bonnet. And of course we have the actual hair. Wow, baby, these clip-ins are long. They're kinky straight, and this, I don't know what length this is. This has to be their 20 or 22 inch. I'm not sure, but this hair is a really long, pretty. I'm not gonna know how to freaking act. What? This is my real hair. Okay guys, so my hair is washed. Just so you guys say, yes I do. I have 4C hair. People have been saying that my hair isn't 4C, but y'all, I believe my hair is 4C. Like, it's 4C. So go ahead and blow dry it. This is damaged, but like all of this is 4C. So yeah, I'm gonna go blow dry my hair. Best, I don't have the blow dryer that's like the brush, so it's not like the best, but I'm trying to straighten it as best as I can. This is what the hair looks like. Again, the hair is really soft. I'm gonna have to straighten it to get those kinks out, or try to get the kinks out. But yeah, let's open this up and see what she is giving. Oh, I look so crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have 4 of the 2 clips, 2 of the 3 clip, 2 of the 4 clips, and 2 of the ones with the 5 clips. Alright, and this is how it looks. So this would like cover basically like this whole perimeter back here, or you could have it up like this. Okay y'all, hold on, I gotta change the battery. Okay guys, so this is how the track looks here. Let's see how well we can straighten this. I'm gonna put a little bit of the bio silk on it. Just a little goes a long way. Alright, so this is a comparison on straightening it and not straightening it. So this is how straight it can get. I'm sure it can get straighter than this, but this is how it went through with one pass after doing it. And honestly, I think this will look good. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and parted out the first section. I'm starting from ear to ear going this way to put the first clip-in, and you kind of gotta measure it. So I'm thinking this 3-piece clip-in will fit good right here, and that's where I'm going to start my first clip-in. But of course, first I have to straighten it. But I have inches. I'm so excited. Y'all know I've been wearing clip-ins since I was 16, and I just find this is very nostalgic. And we're gonna be like skipping rows because this, first of all, kinky straight bundles are thick as is, so we're gonna be skipping. We're not gonna make the rows really thick because I don't want to make it too full. It's already 20 inches, 22 inches, so it looks really long. I don't want to make it too full, and then I look a little crazy. So this is only 2 clip-ins in. Of course, I'm gonna have to make sure my hair is constantly blended with it in the back. And when I get some pieces to cover up here, we'll be straight. Okay, y'all, so we are at the top of my head, and honestly I probably only use half of those clip-ins, which is a good thing because I was worried about it only coming in like one little bundle per se. Kinky straight hair is a lot thicker, so you can, you know, put larger spaces, and you don't want this, you don't want to put them on top of each other because then like this, then it'll hurt. So then you want to give it some space so that your hair can breathe and you're not like digging the combs in your scalp back to back like that. So I'm trying to like feel for some space. So the last clip in I put is right here, so I have enough room to put this clip in right here. And I also don't want to put it too close to my hairline either, because then it'll start showing. So I'll clip it right here, and you just slide the comb in and push down, and voila, stunning. And boom, one side to the top of my head. That's crazy. Oh, y'all, okay, so I just put a dime size. What do I look like that? Is it like the color I'm wearing? Okay, yeah, I wanted more like saturation on my skin. Hopefully that worked. Let me put on some lip gloss because I feel naked. Okay, y'all, so okay, so I'm about to just go ahead and part this hair and like straighten it to like further blend it in, because like, you know, I feel good and confident with this. Like, you know, if the wind blow the wrong way, no track is gonna be shown, but like I just want to make sure I get that blend, because yeah, I don't want my hair to be just sitting on top of it. So let's go ahead and start straightening it. I really hope this video isn't too long. But yeah, this is their 22 inches, guys, and I know like my torso is pretty short, but 22 inches and it's literally down to my butt. You can't beat that. Curlsqueen, you did your big one. Like, this hair is so pretty. If you guys didn't know, I did have their bundles, but these are their clip-ins, and I have no complaints. Like, baby. And then if I needed to, I could pull this hair up. It just would probably, you know, it's pulling the clips up, so you might feel a little pull on your hair, so be mindful of that. But this is just something real quick so I could straighten it. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna style it. Like, I'm not gonna cut layers in it just yet because it's so fresh. Like, I just really want to live in this long hair. But I'm gonna do my edges real quick to give it that little extra oomph. Just a little bit though, because you know, I just washed my hair and I don't want my hair to already look old, you know. And if your edge is crusty, your hair automatically looks old. Okay, guys, so this is how the clip-ins turned out. It's giving very much long hair, don't care. I haven't even showed you guys the whole thing, like how the length and all that. This is how long the hair stops on me without it being cut. This is 22 inches on me. I'm 5'4", but I think my torso is kind of short. I think I'm mostly legs, so 22 inches looks like this on me, with the very last track stopping right here. And mind you, I didn't put the first track on until like ear level. So yeah, and I also did not even use all of the clip-ins. So this was like, you know, really good. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, this is really good. I had so much fun installing these clip-ins. Thank you, Curlsqueen, for sending me this unit. You guys, everything you need to know will be linked down below in my description box and on the screen here if you guys are looking for like details on the hair. Of course, I didn't like finish the braid, but like I just did like a quick test to see how it would like look, and that eats. Like, tell me that don't eat, because that really do eat. That really do eats. But yeah, I honestly think I'm gonna curl it. Do you guys think curls would eat? I mean, I know curls would eat with this hair, but like with it not being layered, because I don't want to cut the hair just yet, because there are like some styles I want to do. And with clip-ins, like if you start cutting clip-ins, you have to put them in the exact same spot, or when you wear it again, it's gonna look choppy. So yeah, you gotta be mindful of that. I'm gonna have to keep this brush on me, y'all, because this 4C hair and this 100-degree weather does not play. But y'all, that is the install. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you know what to do, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more videos of me. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Your Pink Pillow. Go ahead and hit up Curlsqueen hair if you want some luscious kinky straight bundles like me. Like I said, I am on this natural hair bag, and you know, with my hair frizzing up in this weather, I think the best texture for me is this kinky straight, because if my hair starts to frizz up, it won't look bad if I just like, you know, slick it back or something. It's gonna look like my hair. Like like y'all cannot tell me this isn't my hair right now. Like, this is very much giving my hair. And thank you for that, because y'all really ate with that. Now I'm gonna put this bonnet on that y'all gave me and sleep so good. Of course, you can take these out every night and sleep in them, or you can sleep in them. It doesn't matter. I do be sleeping in them, but that's just because I be waking up late and I don't got time to be reinstalling these clip-ins every single day. But clip-ins are so versatile, and I cannot wait till you guys see my video where I am going to be installing, or going to be changing up these quick weaves and doing different hairstyles for a week for you guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you want to see that video, of course, and hit the like button, leave comments really do help me a lot. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Peace. Okay, y'all, so here is how it's looking. I went ahead and re-straightened it. I also went ahead and like trimmed my ends just so I can get a better blend, like a better dang, come on camera. I went ahead and trimmed my ends just so I can get a better blend. I think it looks better. I hope it looks better. I straightened it again. Hopefully this time, you know, I don't damage my hair, or if I do, like, I hope that it reverts back pretty good. But this is how my hair is looking. Yeah.